Up and thankful, alive and well. Blessed love my people. Welcome back to JR Voice TV. And if you're a first-time viewer, welcome to the family. A family like you is hard to find and worth keeping. So please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And the topics making it today: Horny woman seek friends with benefits relationship.
Can't have small cocky and it can't be no 2 minute or 3 minute because that don't make sense. That's a waste of time.
Macka.
Amari
Don't
one
start
Macka
where you
diamond.
can't finish. Yeah?
Me a stone the blood clot and take out every fucking thing. Man is accountant. 10 subject shop.
And bounty killer so-called friend allegedly caught stealing.
Me not take up nothing, man. I'm sure you want me to take up nothing. Me not take up nothing. I buy me a buy.
When the police come and talk to you about
When I stone the blood clot and take out every fucking thing. Man is accountant. 10 subject shop. And then when I bounty shop Parri. You can't buy in a store and you come leave up, man. Eh? What the phone now me take? Show them it now. Step in there inside. My tight, too tight, that's stop my blood. That's stop my blood.
Done with him.
So viewers and subscribers, let me get the disclaimers out of the way. Well, I can confirm or deny that this man is affiliated with Bounty Killer, and I don't know the location for where this incident actually took place. I see the video and I find it interesting, so I share it. All me know is that the brother here is either him have a mental disorder, him under some influence or some drugs, or the fucking man just use him head. Is it? But that don't really matter still. Him still a go jail. We no support no thief around here. Unless you got thief and turn a millionaire one time and done. But we still not support no thief in around here. So here we go now. An offense is an offense, and from you do the crime, you have to do the time. Moving on.
Macka. Don't start where you can't finish. Yeah? You're in the industry for so long. And that's the best you could have this a girl. You couldn't do better than that. Wait till my tongue get better, man. I'm gonna put it up under your pum pum.
Excuse me, the fuck did you just say?
So you better make sure your blood clot flush it out, steam it out. Cause you can't anger me. A rascal.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Jaja, where am I really get them things from? Tongue underneath. You know what, go on? We're not going to elaborate on that one. Yeah. We're not elaborate on it at all. You know what? Moving on.
Can't have small cocky and it can't be no 2 minute or 3 minute because that don't make sense. That's a waste of time.
Viewers and subscribers, this lady here on the screen, she did a live video and love a chat and laugh show. And what me I get to understand is that she look a fucker man. Yeah man, she not look nobody. If you really come her yard, come take up the residence. You see it? So you don't know things that you know, it's just a one fling and you move on. You can forward in like every week and everything, but you have to left. It's not like say a personal relationship or nothing. It's just a fling. Anyway, less from me, more from the video.
Alright, you look a man then, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright then. You look a man if you look for the look a meanwhile or because you have a man but you're not about I don't have no man right now.
No, I'm single.
For how long now you single?
Over a year.
So during that 1 year period, right? You know fuck?
Well, I just got some the other day after a long time.
What you call the other day?
A week.
That mean you're not really single no more or just a test out that?
A people man.
Oh,
so I'm single, a people man.
So that's one thing you give him the pussy?
Yeah.
Okay. So after that year, then get a look of fuck, they're like, adrenaline, you know, vibes just run through your bloodstream and you're free up.
No. No, but a problem did happen because I don't know if I wasn't attracted to him or it been so long, but it never, yeah, it never worked. Really, really, really horny. It that really, really, really horny.
All right.
That's it.
So
That's
so
all it is, man.
you have any toys, no sex toys for I help you out?
It not work. It not work.
What you have though?
Yeah.
Like how much sex toy you have?
I don't want you. Jesus.
So how much sex toys you have?
One.
One is a vibrator or a dildo?
Just a regular one. It don't move.
No,
You have to move it.
that's rough man. Yeah.
It rough.
You want a man in the Atlanta area, or you want a man who can still travel to you?
Can travel. I don't want nobody close. I don't want nobody come on my
Like
yard and want
like spend the weekend with you and just leave again, and when you're ready again, you can
yeah.
call.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, like what age group you look for?
Not over 30, 38. 38 and younger.
Or 38 and younger. All right, like what height?
Half a tall, like 5'9" and up.
5'9" and up. Okay, like what the body now? The body size now?
I just don't want no belly because I don't want no belly. I want to be no belly, but he could be thick. No belly.
A 6-pack man with a 6-pack, I can have a look small belly.
No belly.
I look a small belly.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck Rodney, you're out of the one there. All right then,
Me
continue.
try
Then.
off of Rodney already. Rodney I run.
Bumbo club. Alright, listen carefully again.
Boy.
So you like how you're not a man for 1 year now, so and you say you know look a man where they near, you look a man with out of town, we can travel more time. You know, come see. But more time is you're into like, you know, you call up on all the FaceTime and you play the pussy and him because something.
Yeah, a damn thing. Yes.
You like them because something there?
Yes.
Okay. In
Make
video
and
yes,
okay.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like video play the pussy, you fuck yourself and him because something there.
Yeah.
Okay. You like them look a hardcore man, look a rough man, and look a gentleman type.
Yeah, I have a problem with bad man. I have a problem. That's probably the problem.
Oh.
That's probably the problem because the older men either they're something small or they just don't do it.
Oh, so what size cocky you like then?
It have to. I mean, I want no little cocky. At least 8 inches or more. It have to be more than 8 inches.
Okay, so I'm not gonna say to you again now. I'm gonna try to think, you know. Any man up on the live, okay,
It can't have small cocky and it can't be no 2 minute or 3 minute because that don't make sense. That's a waste of time.
So viewers and subscribers, as human, we all get one life equally. Everybody choose to live them life the way they want to, right? But if I should recommend, I would recommend this lady get a decent relationship that will lead up to marriage at her age. Communication is the key. So what they would do, communicate and then they compromise. At 40 years old, that is when you should be looking towards life from a different angle. Not saying that there's a specific age for this, but for me personal, at the age of 40, I see myself settle down, living a well-organized life, not running around like headless chicken. Ladies, value yourself and we as men will appreciate and value you more. Anyway, big up to Lava Chat and Laugh Show and keep the entertainment going. The link for the full Lava Show will be in the description. Go over there, take in the show. A bag of things going over there. Just take in the show. Thanks for watching and please remember to subscribe for more videos. I'm out.